All right. Once again, it's me, the Joke Jack of all trades, and I want to show y'all real quick, not going to take a lot of your time, how to get a free Potensic 4K Dreamer GPS drone battery. You see that right there, Potensic? Alright, and so this dude, of course, came out last week, and it came with one battery, but you can get a second one. $100 battery, 30 more minutes of flight time for free. If you notice, when you get your Potensic 4K Dreamer GPS drone in the mail, look inside the packaging. It's a nice little business card in there to ask for a review. Do the review, follow the instructions, and they will send you a second battery for free. No shipping, no handling, no special mess to go through. New battery, double your flight time, 1 hour of flight time. You can look at it as a $300 drone for $200. All right, till next time, go get that free battery. You know what you like. Click that button. Peace.